Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're holding some BNB in your Trust wallet and want to transfer it over to your Revolut account, you're in the right place. This guide is tailored for 2025, so we'll cover the latest steps to make sure everything goes smoothly. Whether you're cashing out for everyday spending or just managing your crypto, I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, make sure you have the Trust Wallet app installed on your phone and that your BNB is safely stored there. Also, ensure your Revolut account is set up to receive cryptocurrencies. You might need to enable crypto features if you haven't already. Okay, let's dive in. Step 1. Open your Trust Wallet app and navigate to the BNB wallet. You'll see your balance at the top. Double check that you have enough BNB to cover the transfer, plus any network fees. Step 2. Tap on the Send button. This will prompt you to enter the recipient's address. Now, switch over to your Revolut app. Go to the Crypto section, select BNB, and copy your Revolut crypto wallet address. It's crucial to get this right to avoid any losses, so paste it carefully into Trust Wallet. Step 3. Enter the amount of BNB you want to withdraw. Remember, fees can vary based on network congestion, so keep an eye on the estimated total. Once you're happy, hit Next and review the transaction details. Step 4. Confirm the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometric verification. After that, sit tight. Blockchain transactions can take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the BNB Smart Chain network. Step 5. Once it's done, check your Revolut app to confirm the BNB has arrived. If everything looks good, you're all set. A quick tip. Always double-check addresses and use secure connections to protect your funds. In 2025, crypto regulations might have changed, so stay updated with official sources. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope this made withdrawing BNB a breeze. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.